Alright, so mid rust repair, more like a body filler. So I got most of the holes plugged up. Over here, a couple more holes. Got those plugged up, so it's looking good. Sanded the underside here, and sprayed it with some rust back to metal. So we'll do that, and then I'll probably finish up with the bed liner on top of this, just to kind of make it more impact resistant for winter. And then got a custom old school plate that I'm just gonna throw over those two holes. So, you know, it'll be good enough. So that's what we got so far. I'll kind of repair it up. No more holes. A little bit of repair back there. Up here. A couple spots in the hood, or the roof. And over on this side. Alright, so just installed the carpets. Installed all the seat belts. So for the rear there. And then just put the center console in. So got that all put together. Gotta get all these trim pieces back on. Then we'll be good to go. Alrighty, got the rear seat in. Oh. I gotta work on the fronts. And I also got the rear panels. Someday I'm gonna take these out again and paint them the same color. There's a bunch of different shades of different color grays in here, so gonna definitely paint this so it kind of matches the rest of it. I'm not sure if this is factory or maybe a replacement piece, but we're definitely gonna fix that. But you can see, you know, that's different color than this. So here we go. All right, so got the interior all put back together, got the carpets in, got the center console all put together, passenger seat in, got the rear seat in. So still have to do some sanding. Bundle there, and then got the back all put together. It's all done. Carpet's nice and soft now that I power washed. I power washed and shampooed the carpets really well, so they don't really smell bad anymore, which is great. So you got the rears put back in. Alrighty guys, found a set of 10-hole wheels for the XJ. Thanks to Mr. Wayman over there. Say hello, Mr. Wayman.
Oh, hi. I got lost.
You somehow went from Florida to Louisiana to here.
Yeah, I don't really know what happened.
Well, thank you for picking these up. So they're actually in really nice shape. So yeah, so eventually I'll get a set of, probably some BF Ridge KO2s. Either a 30-inch tire or a 235. Haven't really decided on that yet. But yeah. So, and why don't we look to see what you drove all the way from Florida to here in.
Yeah, I would normally drive the XJ, and I would still, under no circumstances, is this truck at all capable of driving across the country.
but you did it.
It made it somehow. It almost killed me twice. Left me stranded in Mississippi, of all places. But I made it make it. Against all odds. And now I gotta get back.
Now you gotta get back. Oh yeah. So 87?
Yeah.
So same year as my MJ? Interesting. Do you know, I've always wondered what option gets you the mirrors that are mounted on the outside like that?
There were two options, as far as I know. Either the tow package, or if it had a topper.
Oh.
And mine had a topper.
Interesting. And so you got the side. What about the weird ones that are like here? Those miniature, they're like small ones, and they mount in the same area.
I don't
Have
know.
you seen those?
I've never seen those.
But, well, I'm impressed.
Yeah. I'm not even impressed. I'm in just like disbelief.
Well, very cool. Alright, so we're going to be doing some work on the XJ, but first we're going to go ride around in the TJ and probably the Cobra. So, alrighty. So I'm going to put the radio, the original radio that Wayman picked up for me. Hey Lola. So we're going to be putting that in there, and yeah. So this is the wiper controls, like what sends the delay and stuff for the wipers. And my delay on my wiper doesn't work. So we're going to take a look at this box. Okay. It actually looks really good. So a lot of times I've seen these all, woo! A lot of times I've seen these like all burnt up and fried and stuff. Oh man, this is so cool though. Look at that. That one's a little rusty looking actually. But that is very interesting. So I got it back. It's got some isopropyl alcohol on the toothbrush. Just gonna clean any corrosion that I can see on here. And that looks pretty back together. Like so. Oh, that's cool. So you can get adjustment, low speed, sensitivity. Very cool little box. It's kind of neat. So I'm gonna put this back together now. All right, got a little too dark for the red. But we got the radio in. Looks great. Clicky buttons, I like. Bass. You can adjust that, which is kind of neat. Stick it in and kind of cool, actually. And then we got quick seek tune. I don't think it works. I think the radio works, but something in the wiring in the Jeep is not allowing it to work. Because when I bought it, it didn't have a radio, so I was assuming the radio didn't work. So me and Wayman changed the transmission fluid in the transmission, and it shifts way better now. I did some of that. What is it? MT90 in there, as well as some of that Lucas Oil, like heavy duty oil stabilizer. Did a little bit of that in there as well as that. So if you guys want to see that, definitely check out Wayman's video. He'll have kind of some behind the scenes of his visit the other day. So if you want to check out him getting riding the Cobra, driving the TJ, all that kind of stuff, and then changing the trans fluid and all that kind of stuff, definitely go watch that video. But yeah, there are the wheels, looking nice. I'm really excited. So some white letter tires, I think will look really great, like I said kind of early in the video. And then trying those wheels on my Comanche, I think will be kind of neat. All right, so moment of truth. See if the radio works. Oh, it lights up. Nothing's on here. Oh. Okay, let's do FM.
For 6 years, but then we got to do that.
I'm only hearing it. Oh wait, let's do. Oh, that's rear. Oh, she just popped off. Uh-oh. Let's try starting her. Maybe I'll do it. Oh, it lights up though. Okay. This is power. I'm not sure. Well, it lights up at least. That's cool. Oh, it's great. This doesn't light up. But, huh, interesting. But, next on the list, changing the exhaust out. It's way too quiet. But as you guys can hear, my fuel pump sounds normal. So I swapped out the pump and don't have the massive whining, whirling noise anymore. So that's great. I'm gonna check the fuse for the radio and see if that's my issue. Well, I don't know what happened. We got nothing. It's dead. I heard a pop in the speakers in the back, and she's dead. I checked the fuse for the radio, and it's fine. I kind of doubt it blew the fuse in the radio, but maybe it did. I don't know. Well, at least it looks better now, at least. And only one of the speakers is working. The other speaker must be out. So actually, that's right. There is no speaker there. I had checked originally. No idea why. But sound system in this thing would be great someday. That would be cool. All right, one last thing I'm gonna fix. Until I get a new one of these, let's get the light to come on. Until I get a new one of these guys, I'm just gonna hammer this guy out because I'm tired of hearing that. So what I did do is I just stuck this under there, hit that up with the hammer. That got it to come out. So I should probably just get a new one of these, because it doesn't look terribly difficult. But yeah, no more clicks. Let's make it go all the way in. Nice. It's like a Wrangler door now. Just freely spins. Although, I don't like it. Don't fling your door open, but it's like a Wrangler door now. No more creaking though. I like it. So anyway, guys, hopefully you guys kind of enjoyed just, tinkering around with the XJ. So, got some sanding to do with the Bondo. I got the paint on order, so I just got to wait for that to come in. And then we can start just kind of really buttoning this up. And then the last thing I'm going to tackle last is the rust on the door. So that'll have to grind down, do some Bondo, metal work, all that kind of jazz. So, but yeah, so anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And definitely consider becoming a member of the channel. That helps me out a bunch. You guys get access to my Discord server where everyone just kind of hangs out and just kind of shows pictures off of their Jeep. Shares videos, pictures, all that kind of stuff. Just kind of a fun little community on there. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.